This is Siddesh Kurade. I come from the village of Kunkolim, and football has a lot of legacy here. We have grown up seeing some very great players from Savarkota and Kunkolim where I stay. So I have a lot of affection. Whenever possible, I make sure to participate in the tournaments. And the Vaidya family, they are my very good friends. I thank them for initiating this and helping out wholeheartedly for this very nice tournament which we are conducting here. And a lot of teams, I think more than 20 teams all across the Goa have been participating. And it's just a great honor for me to be the chief guest today as well as to be witnessing all the lovely games here. So my best wishes to the winning team. And I think the final is going to be very grand and all the best to all the participating teams.
Sir, what is the message for the young sports
I
person?
think, see, why we are doing this is people have to come together. Young guys, this is a platform for you to showcase the talent. So we should play in the true sporting spirit. No fights. It's a team finally. Showcase your talent. No rough foul plays. But end of the game, we all are friends together. That's my message for that.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.